Hello there guys, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about the WC command. Now the WC command stands for word count, and the WC command is used to display the number of lines, words, and bytes contained in files. So if I wanted to see, let's say, how many lines, or better yet, how many words does this file contain, ab2.txt, I would write wc, and then as an argument, I would just supply the file name. And when I press enter, I actually get the following. So the first number is the number of lines in the file. The second number is the number of words contained in a file. And the third number is the number of bytes contained in the file. Okay? And personally, I have never used this command. I have seen its usages in some situations where you need to count how many, for example, if you're doing some sort of file analysis, but not really analyzing files contents. But if you're analyzing, for example, file names, or for example, if you're looking at how many things are contained in a file. So basically, it can be used in both scenarios. But again, I haven't used it that I actually have a clear intent. Okay, I'm going to use the WC command, but I have seen it used alongside with other commands, and in those cases it is very important to understand what it does. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial. Hope you learned something useful, and I will see you in the next tutorial.